Hi everybody, welcome. This picture, you guys, is a picture of Uzola and Nozipho Ntshangase. It's their wedding picture. So they got married. Beautiful ceremony. Okay, and they had kids. I mean, you're thinking, what else could he want? But no, he wanted this. Okay, he wanted this one. From this to that. When I tell you what's Amadoda are not human beings, because if they were human beings, the things they do would just make sense, but they don't. Here's another one. Look at this one. Look at this one with 4 wives. Who would look at this picture and say, Kuya Shotala? 2 wives on your right, 2 wives on the left. No? But no. You want to. For no reason, you want to act. Now, where is this wife going to stand? Where is this wife going to stand? Where? In front of Umseleko? Behind him? Uzoguqa phansi. Ngeke amela eduze kaMangwabe. You see Mangwabe's stress. It's telling you that I'm the last wife. Nobody should stand next to me. You see? Perfect. But no, you're not happy. You are adding. This one perfect. But no, you are not happy. Angazi guys la. Yabona. Hey, amadoda guys. Amadoda nginitshelile ngathi mina the day that we decide ukuthi siyabashisa, let's not use matches. Let's use a chemical that will ensure that bashile and akusali ngisho umlotha. Hayi, bye bye.